It talks about it having an ergonomic design. Ergonomic just means it's efficient and comfortable. Now, our elastic band is going to go in front of our ear. Let's put it on. Okay, so far so good. The mask seems pretty comfortable. Now let's put it to the test. I got a video coming up soon called How to Build Your Workbench. That's what I'm doing right here. I'm using my hand planer to knock down the high spots or the ridges right here on the edge of my 2x4. I can put my dust mask to the test right now. Let's do it. Let's do some sanding. Let's use our mask while we paint. Okay, in my honest opinion, the mask did real good. Now I had masks in the past that the elastic bands would pop, off my face, and also it wouldn't fit snugly on my face. I think that they did a real good job where they hit the target with having this mask to fit comfortably on your face, okay? I think this is one of the better masks that's in the industry, in the construction industry, all right? That's my honest opinion. Now, if you like this mask, and you want to buy this mask, you want to purchase this mask, go down to the link below.